There's been a lot of discussion around IKEA Solskydd across the internet, with many people questioning whether it's legit or a scam. In this video, I'm breaking down what it actually offers and whether it appears trustworthy. IKEA Solskydd is a range of Bluetooth speakers designed to blend into home decor while providing audio playback. The lineup includes portable and wall-mountable options in various sizes, targeting homeowners who want affordable, design-focused audio devices for casual listening, like music or podcasts. Questions around legitimacy arise mainly because this is IKEA's new product line following the end of their partnership with Sonos. Early reviews point to potential inconsistencies in sound performance compared to previous collaborations. The main claims include clear and rich sound, elegant design that integrates into interiors, easy Bluetooth connectivity, multi-speaker pairing, and long battery life on portable models. Product specifications like power output ranging from 9 watts to 40 watts depending on the model, frequency range and inputs such as Bluetooth, aux, and optical on larger models are listed on IKEA's official website. Design and build quality are confirmed through product images and descriptions. However, sound quality claims like powerful or rich are subjective and receive mixed feedback. No independent lab tests are widely available yet for audio performance metrics. Details on long-term durability or specific audio drivers beyond basic specs are limited. User sentiment is mixed, with average ratings around 3 to 4 out of 5 on IKEA's site. Common praise includes attractive design, affordability, ease of setup, and portability for smaller models. Common complaints focus on sound quality not meeting expectations, some connectivity issues, and underwhelming volume. Early low ratings on certain models and occasional mentions of returns due to performance issues are noted, but no widespread refund problems had been reported. Pricing is clear and straightforward, with models priced from $49.99 to $139.99 depending on size. IKEA's standard return policy applies, typically 365 days with receipt. There are no subscriptions involved, just a one-time purchase. Trust signals include backing by the established IKEA brand with physical stores, product documentation available on IKEA's official website, positive mentions in tech publications for design and value, and standard warranty through IKEA channels. This product is legit and safe. It's produced by a reputable retailer with transparent sales channels and standard policies. Performance may vary based on user expectations. It's suitable for those prioritizing design and affordability for casual use. Avoid if you're seeking high-end audio quality or advanced smart features.